All right, welcome back, traders. John Caruso here. Another edition of Futures Forecast. We're going to do a quick hitter this afternoon on the April gold contract. Taking a look at April gold here on the charts. Towards the end of last year, we did see this rare triple bottom ensue on the charts. We did see that big impulse higher. As soon as we broke over this old swing low, that moved the gold market to bullish trend inside of our model. And then, of course, we did see this massive melt up towards the end of last year and in the beginning part of this year, all the way up to the 78.6. And then, of course, we started to experience some stiff rejection off of that level. Market broke down over $100 inside of 2 days. And then we just started forming this bear flag pattern. Market broke down once again, and we have been chopping our way all the way back to the year-to-date opening prices. Now, today, February 17th, we are experiencing a pretty hard bottom, a rejection off of those that 1827 level. Hard bottom. The market is back positive on the day at 1852. Now, what I'm expecting over the very near term here is for this market to potentially find some footing and chop its way potentially back as high as 1890 to 1900 before perhaps some more bearish forces kick in this market and take us back down on the downside. You got to remember that this is still this rejection here. This is still very strong bearish action over the very near term. So any upside we experience in here over the very near term, we'll say over the next 30 days, is potentially going to give you another rejection back to the downside and potentially get back towards that 1800 to potentially 1790, which is where the 200-day moving average is, before we see gold find some footing and push back higher. We do ultimately expect on this next push higher in gold for that to achieve new all-time highs, potentially in the back half of this year or potentially out into the early part of 2024. So still not quite getting an immediate term overbought signal down here. So if this market chops and rises higher, I expect my oscillator down here to experience an overbought signal, which takes us down one last time in the gold market before potentially we begin to punch higher into the back half of this year. So that is a look at April gold. I'm John Caruso. Best of luck to everybody out there.